How to add picture to Snapchat story. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the picture to your Snapchat story. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, open the Snapchat app and tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen, and after that you will have to tap right here on the My Story option, add to My Story option, and after that you will have to select the picture from there from your gallery. So let me select this picture, and after that you can see that tap on the My Story option, and this will be sent as the My Story. You can see that this picture is added as My Story. So this is how you can easily add the pictures on your Snapchat stories. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.